Hey guys, my name is Mark. Thanks for stopping in today. I've got a set of ND filters, which I'll quickly show you how to use and how they improve your footage. So ND filters reduce the amount of light entering the camera, allowing you to then reduce the shutter speed without a blown out image. And so the slower shutter speed allows for motion blur to produce a smoother, more natural look. And for the Skydio 2, this is even more important because of its motion tracking capability, meaning that you're going to see a lot of the foreground and background moving quickly around the track subject. And that's exactly when you do need ND filters to smooth out that scenery. So let's get started. So for a sunny day like today, I'll use the ND16 filter. The ND8, which is less dark, would be good for dusk or dawn conditions. And the ND32, which is darker than the ND16, would be for super bright conditions, like when you're in the snow or in the desert. So now I'll show you how to set the proper camera settings. Okay, so we'll go into the camera settings, and based on your desired FPS, here I have it set to 30 frames per second. I'll need to adjust the shutter speed to double the inverse of that value. So 1/60th of a second. Okay, and now you can see that we have a blown out image. So let's put the ND filter on, like so. And now that actually looks pretty good. So if I needed to, I could go into the ISO value and decrease it or increase it to adjust the exposure. So actually I'm going to go with ISO 200. And that actually looks pretty good, so we'll go ahead and fly with that. So here's a freezed frame where you can see the scenery is blurred but not the subject. And then here's a freezed frame without the ND filters, so you can see how nothing is blurred. And here's two video clips for comparison, one with the ND filter and one without. Alright guys, so that is it. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button to let me and others know that you found this video helpful. And as always, happy flying and riding.